Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Thursday, April 3rd, 2025. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm going to start with this one, buy signal. Technical buy signal. We closed above 270.43. This was helped entirely by an announcement that was not confirmed that Musk will soon be leaving his White House duties at Doge and reassume responsibility for directing Tesla. Obviously, that was seen as a bullish development. I'm not sure about the sustainability of this. I'm recording this before the tariff announcement was made, just before. But technically, we have a buy signal, and I'm not going to question it. Settling above 270.43 does indicate 369.30 now over the next 3 to 5 weeks. On the way up, we do have a 3/8 upside Fibonacci at 320.74. I don't see that today. But what is possible is 304.60. So 270.43 day traders can contain session weakness, and above which 304.60 in reach today, where we can top out intraday, possibly for the entire day. 270.43 is there to be bought. 3 to 5 day swing traders for 320.74, where profits can be taken on a 3 to 5 day swing trade. And as I say, 270.43 is there. 3 to 5 week swing traders for anticipating 369.30 over the next 3 to 5 weeks. If we close today above 304.60, 320.74 is likely tomorrow. We can top out there on a daily basis, but I don't think you should aggressively sell this market, even on a 3 to 5 day swing trade basis. I mean, certainly 320.74 is there, and you can take it one day at a time thereafter. But I do see hesitation at 320.74, but I wouldn't fall in love with a short position there. A closing above it should yield that targeted 369.30 speed line, possibly in as little as 3 to 5 days. 369.30, it's worth noting, as we continue into later April, will dip into the low 350s. And that's worth noting because if you look at this weekly chart, you've got 352.78 as a 50% upside retracement from that December high. Sorry, is that a December high? I think it is a December high, late December high. And you've got the former rising channel top at 347.70. So just note that this is a big area still, 347.70 to 352.78. And over the next 3 weeks or so, this targeted descending 2/3 speed line will converge with all that. So we will be watching this on a day-to-day basis. Now for the downside, if we break or open below 270.43, in other words, if the broader stock market greets the tariff announcement as bearish, if it's more tariffs than anticipated, then we could see 244.18 today. Present volatility does allow that. So breaking or opening today below 270.43 does allow 244.18 today, where a daily low can be placed. I want to interrupt this for an important public service announcement, and that is to say that wickedstocks.com has put out 2 stock picks this week already, one in NetEase, the other in Lithia Motors. That went out actually on Wednesday. Lithia is a major automobile dealership company, both of which are on the precipice of big moves. We give the exact details and specifics for that at wickedstocks.com. You can see both stock picks by going to wickedstocks.com. You'll get a 5-day free trial up front. You'll also get daily Triple Q, daily SPY analysis, weekly Apple stock analysis, S&P 500, NASDAQ 100 for no cost, no skin off your back for 5 days. And if you like what you see, and you probably will, you can stick around for a month-to-month subscription at wickedstocks.com. So check it out, wickedstocks.com. So I will say that if you may have gotten long yesterday with this push through and settlement above 270.43, and I think that is a valid approach, but this is a wild market right now, and the tariff announcement is going to play out over the next day or two, and I'm not sure if it's going to be bullish or bearish. There's the old saying in stock market trading, which is sell the rumor, buy the fact. We've been selling the rumor now for the last few weeks, and when the announcement finally hits, do you buy the fact? Once all the bearish news is known, do you buy the market? There's a case to be made for that. Certainly looking at this chart, above 270.43, 369.30 remains a 3 to 5 week target. But if we close back below 270.43, that is a rejection of a significant buy signal. This is a 3-4 month descending channel top. And with that, I would expect lower trade. I would expect over the next week or two a violation of the low from early March. And I would expect possibly today 244.18. If we close today below 244.18, there's no other way to see it. Bearish rotation. Bearish continuation into the lower 160s, mid 150s. This area down here, 154.96 to 161.06. I'm going to say becomes a 1 to 2 month target again if we settle today back below the 270.43 descending channel top. So that is the big picture. And yes, if we close today below the, below the 244.18, I think within 3 to 5 weeks of closing below 244.18, we can unwind all the way back into the mid 150s, low 160s, where an annual low can be placed, and we can come off of this nicely as we move into the third quarter. But right now, we are setting up for a buy signal. The buy signal is official. We are expecting 369.30 over the next 3 to 5 weeks, and we've got a secondary show of strength just closing today above 304.60 and again above 320.74, etc., etc. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of that 5-day free trial. Check out the stock picks we put out this week alone. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Friday's Tesla report. You have a great day.